Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services, and as I speak to all of you all this Monday morning at around about 11:15, there was a little bit of choppiness in the beginning of the market session this morning, but however we have stabilized a little bit. To give you certain levels on the Sensex, Nifty Bank, Rupee Dollar, and crude oil. Well, Sensex is up about 140 points, 150 points. 65,040 is the level on Sensex. Nifty is up about 50 odd points. 19,320 is the level on Nifty. And Nifty Bank up about 80 odd points. 44,300 is the level on Nifty Bank. On the rupee dollar, well, after seeing levels of almost 83 last week against the dollar, rupee has gained strength and the level is about 82.60 to a dollar and about 6 paise strength in the rupee against the dollar. On crude oil front, meaningful downtick. Brent is trading at about $84.50 per barrel, and NYMEX is trading at about $80 per barrel. So we've seen a good amount of strength in the rupee against the dollar, as well as a downward move on the crude oil prices. Expectation is that rupee should possibly stay here for a while, with a little bit of strength being exhibited against the dollar. And on the crude oil front, expect these levels to be here with minor changes on the news flows as far as both Brent and NYMEX are concerned. On the market front, friends, what we've witnessed over the last 1 month is that the Nifty spot has gone and visited levels between 19,200 and 19,300 on the lower side a couple of times, and we have managed to bounce back from those levels. And the view that was shared with all of you all for almost about last 2 or 3 weeks, that the markets are in a range bound, and that range is about 19,200, 300 on the lower side, 19,500, 600 on the higher side. This view holds for this entire week as well. And we are seeing some, uh, you know, uh, delivery based buying coming in at below 19,300 levels, closer to 19,250 on the Nifty spot. Now, we had also given our review that this range will continue, and this week also this range is going to continue. A breach below, or a close rather, not a break, but a close below 19,200 on the Nifty spot can open up a little bit of lower levels. But till the time we are maintaining 19,200 on the closing basis, I don't think we need to worry a lot. Even if we happen to breach 19,200, the downside looks to be protected as of now, but a lot depends upon what the news flows are from the global and local events. Other aspects of the market, well, very soon, this afternoon, we will have the AGM from Reliance Industries Limited. A broad roadmap about the rollout of 5G, how they are going to take their demerged entity Geo Financial Services forward, what are the businesses, green energy, what are the focus over there, and of course other related businesses, what are the development and what is the business strategy over there. So Reliance would be in focus, at least from a short-term point of view, because of the AGM and the announcement that is likely to happen. Negative news flows from China continues, and I think that's going to keep markets under the weather. And depending upon the news flows, I think the reaction will come through. The Fed policy meet and the statements made by the Fed chair will also have its impact on the market. The way a little bit of hawkish announcement that was made on the sectorial basis, I think defense is something that will definitely be in spotlights. Defense related stocks, given the kind of order books that some of these companies have got, be it Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Dynamics, uh, Bharat Electronics Limited, Cochin Shipyard, Mazgaon Docks, uh, likewise Garden Shipbuilders, Paras Defense, BHEL, to name a few. I think all these companies will be in spotlight given the kind of orders that are flowing into them. And mind you, friends, these are just a view on the sector. These are not recommendations. So just bear that in mind. But this is one sector that will be in the spotlight for all the, given the fact that last 1 year, these stocks have outperformed the benchmark indices and certain other sectors. I think after a brief period of consolidation, on fallback of order book and earning visibility, these companies would be in focus. Other than that, our sense is that you would possibly see some amount of sector and stock specific uh, moves, especially on company specific, the way the news flows comes through. So that's going to be driving some of the company specific moves on the higher side, depending upon which way the news flow is. Overall, the view is that this level should hold on, and if this level holds on, then definitely the up move that we'll see once we break out from the higher side resistance of 19,500, 600, we'll see a meaningful upside towards the all-time high. It won't be immediate, friends. It'll take some time. News flows on the monsoon also will be something to watch out for, and of course the data points from the domestic front with respect to the wholesale price index and the consumer price index, that is the inflation numbers. Uh, as always, friends, we give you two investment ideas whenever we interact with you like this, and on the fundamental side, more so. One company that we have already spoken about is NCC Limited. After looking at the first quarter earnings this financial year, we have increased our price targets on the higher side on NCC. So, in case if you got invested, you can hold on to it, you can add to it at current levels. And if you are looking at some investment idea in the infrastructure space, then we believe the kind of order book that NCC has and the kind of numbers that they've reported, we believe there is further more upside. As a disclosure, the targets have been revised upside by us on the fundamental side. The second one is from the pharmaceutical space, and this one is Zydus Life Science. This company is not much spoken about, but on the fundamental side and on the numbers that the company delivered and the commentary post the numbers, we believe that we had a coverage over here as well earlier. But since the targets of these two companies are revised upside, we thought it was prudent on our part to possibly discuss these two investment ideas this time with our interaction. So, two investment ideas, NCC Limited and Zydus Life Science. Both are fundamentally long-term investment ideas. So, you need to have longish time horizon in case if you decide to invest in both these stocks. And as always, don't rush into it. Deploy some investments at current levels. And as and when market gives you dips, you can, or you see correction on these two counters, you can definitely use those lower levels to add to your investments. Mind you, these are fundamentally long-term investment ideas, so you need to have year and a half plus kind of a time horizon. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of your health. Bye bye.